Email marketing, episode 15. We are going to talk about email marketing, making strategies and mastering email marketing for your business, your e-commerce, your drop shipping, whatever kind of business you're doing. Email marketing can help. Whatever you're doing, being an influencer, whatever. Email marketing has been consistent over all of those few years. If you see digital marketing, social media marketing, if you see other types of marketing, email marketing has been consistent. And that's why we are talking about email marketing today. And mastering email marketing, first of all, starting with our first one, build your email list. Do not buy or rent your email list, because easily we'll go to the spam, I think the spam box. It will go there easily, and then it just you have to restart when your email went to the spam list. When it goes to the spam list, there's a lot of things that is going on. First of all, it can be many of them, many kinds of ways that it can end up in the spam list. But one of them is title, not whatever you said in your title, it doesn't match body of the email, and easily will go to the spam list, or you send a lot of emails, and that's not a problem. But the problem is people do not open them. So that's the problem by renting or buying an email list. So build it by yourself. And few tips is if you are having a website, put a small pop-up, or if you are an e-commerce, when they are buying your product or service, you can add a opt-in option for them to get emails. And then a little bit more of a tip again is adding a double verification, another verification. When they enter the email, they have to go to their email to verify they opt in to your email list. Yeah, so that's, I think, our first one. Our second one is going to be maintaining your email list is quite okay. I wouldn't say difficult, but it depends on your market. It depends on a lot of things. But maintaining your email list is quite important. And if they already bought or took something of your service, there's features of many websites or apps, wherever you're using your email marketing platform. There's types where you can design specific things to minimize the action that they take. If they already bought something from your e-commerce, let's say that, okay, let's use that as an example. You could go, hey, there's something like this, and you can promote that, or you do something that's similar to the thing that they bought or took in information. Anything that you do, just make a similar thing and promote that in the body of the email, the entire email, and make a catchy subject that is even, I wouldn't say clickbaity. Okay, we're not going to be doing that. Now, we are going to put the title as neat as possible, because there's 80 emails. This is an analytics thing I read. 80 emails sent a day or a week, and only 40 of them is opened, and the others are fishing for the attention of the person. And going to our, let's see, fourth one? I do not know what number we are on. And going next, send valuable information. That was what I was going to say, I think. Send valuable... I do not know how to say that word. Oh my god. Like, send valuable information. Yes, finally I said it of many takes. Anyway, send valuable information because there's like a lot of emails people get and they do not open them. So make an information or like valuable, but at the same time it catches their attention, ego, I think. Yeah, catching their ego. I do not think. I already validated this information. Catch their ego, their attention by catchy title, okay? But it should be true. The catchy title should be also related to the body of the email. And that's really helpful. I think that's all that I'm going to say. Oh, one more tip. Here we go. Make it mobile friendly. Okay, I open my emails on mobile, like on my phone. If you are doing email marketing, everything that I said today, just take two of them. Valuable information and mobile friendly. Nobody, well, they are opening on their like laptop and other devices, but most of them is on their phones, on their mobiles. So make it mobile friendly and make it easy to read. And I hope that's what you only take from today. Easy to read, mobile friendly, and information. That's it. That's what I want you to take from today's podcast or episode. I think that's going to be our intro, but yeah, it is episode 15. It is going to be episode 16 next week. Please comment, when are you listening this episode on? I'm curious. What time, what day in the week you are listening this on? And that's episode 15 of Learn With Me or Learn With Me Business, something like that. And I will see you next week.